So I utilize this 90-minute schedule in order to record where I'm at, create content so that we can grab attention online, and then utilize that content in order to raise visibility in regards to what it is I'm up to. Hey guys, I want to jump in here and give you a little tutorial or training on how to leverage the RazorSharp-CRM built on Go High Level in order to schedule your social media outreach campaigns. Organic outreach is still a viable way in order to raise visibility around your business, your brand, what it is that you're doing, and really just to grab attention and try to have influence over that attention over time. So I'm going to jump into this training, talk with you a little bit about how it is that we are going about this. So first and foremost, what I'm doing is I'm utilizing an application called Caption in order to record video shorts, do editings, add captions to those videos, and then publish those into social media in the form of shorts. I set up these captions or these short form video contents throughout the day. So every hour, and I try to be good about this, every hour to 90 minutes, what I do is I take a break, open up my phone, record what it is that I'm up to and what it is that I'm doing. And then I utilize Caption in order to produce that video. It takes me about, I would say 3 to 5 minutes. So every 90 minutes, I take a break. Now, my uncle does a course on flow. And one of the things that they talk about is every 90 minutes resetting and restarting your day so you can remain in flow longer. So I utilize this 90-minute schedule in order to record where I'm at, create content so that we can grab attention online, and then utilize that content in order to raise visibility in regards to what it is I'm up to. So every 90 minutes, pop on, record a short video. Hey guys, what it is that's going on? Produce that video, publish it into social media. So we go to the actual, the marketing tab inside the RazorSharp-CRM. We're leveraging AI. So as you can see here on my screen, I'm in a challenge by Russell Brunson talking about selling online so we can refine that process. So day one, Russell Brunson's selling online challenge is the content. What a powerful impact day this has come. Boom. I set my keywords, number of variation. I select the writing tone. I'm going to select exciting. This is a video short, so I'm probably going to want just a little bit of content. I'm not going to want long form content in there, so I'm going to go ahead and generate this. Found the content I want there. Publish that in there. I can see that some of these are populating in regards to short form content, so I'm going to refine my publishing. Remove Google My Business profiles from the publishing queue. And as you can see here, all these are publishing well. And if I wanted to customize for each location into each channel, I could do that as well. I just click that there. And then I would come down here, take a look at the warnings. I could customize it. I'm going to go ahead and publish this all as one content. I'm going to go over to post. I'm going to publish this. Up. And what will happen here is we'll get a status update in regards to this content being published into the social media planner. As you can see here, this is being syndicated out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as a video short. We're getting status updates there. We get all the information that we need in order to do social media outreach. I recorded 4 or 5 videos yesterday. I'm going to get those scheduled throughout today. and then continue that process. I've made a commitment to do 3 to 5 videos a day over the next 30 days to see what happened. I will publish my results here and share all the successes with you. So if you're interested, subscribe, set up notifications, jump over to YouTube, subscribe, set up notifications so you don't miss future trainings. And if you have any challenges that you're trying to overcome in your business, you want to leverage AI and automation in order to accomplish that, go ahead and leave it in the comments section, and I promise I'll get those taken care of for you. As always, make today and every day a fantastic day. We'll talk with you real soon. Hey there, if you like this video and you'd like to get access to future trainings about how to leverage AI and automation to help you move contacts through the customer journey more rapidly with better results than ever before, remember to subscribe, set up notifications so that you don't miss future trainings. If you like input or you have challenges that you're trying to overcome within your organization, go ahead and leave a comment, and I promise that I'll get those taken care of for you.